Hello everyone, I'm Jangajji. Today we will make onion Jangajji. In Korea, pickles made with soy sauce as the main ingredients are called Jangajji. The reason we are making this dish today is that the onion Jangajji is the secret sauce that enhances the taste of many other dishes. If you master the recipe for this one today, you will be able to make other gourmet dishes easily. What are the main ingredients you need today? 4 onions, 7 ounces of Korean Cheong peppers. If it is difficult to buy Korean Cheong peppers, I recommend serrano pepper or jalapeno. Then, I will use 1 3/4 cup of water, 1 cup of soy sauce, 1 1/4 cup of vinegar, and 1 1/4 cup of sugar. Chop the onion into appropriate size. Chop the Korean Cheong peppers as well. Today's ingredients are easy to prepare. Now, boil it with water, soy sauce, and vinegar. It also has a sterilizing role for long-term storage, but the flavor deepens when boiled. It also helps to get rid of the strong vinegar smell. When it starts to boil, add sugar. This will make the sugar melt faster. Stir well. Even a small amount of sugar will stick to the bottom of the pot and cause an unnecessarily burnt taste. Place the onion in the prepared large bowl and add the hot soy sauce. When you pour hot soy sauce, the deep flavor and smell of onions come out well. I'm not going to add Cheong pepper now. Let cook for 2 or 3 hours from now. Then I will add the Cheong pepper. Cheong pepper should be added separately after the soy sauce has cooled to preserve its spicy taste. These pickled onions are ready to eat, but they are best marinated after 2 days in the refrigerator. After a week or so, the deep flavor of soy sauce pickled onion appears. Koreans eat this pickled onion with meat, dumplings, and bindaetteok. Of course, it is also eaten as a side dish. It makes a good pairing with other dishes. But today's recipe focuses on the attraction of soy sauce pickled onion itself. I will use it a lot for other dishes in the future. This is the secret sauce.